Hello everyone, especially the future veterans, that's the present serving all ranks. I intended this video initially as the third in the series, mainly for the future veterans. However, as I prepared and planned for it, I have realized that the video is very relevant and useful not only to the future veterans but also to the present veterans. So I would like you to keep that in mind. First, a point about I want to mention as part of awareness for those who have a girl child of less than 10 years age. Sukanya Samruddhi Yojana, which is a government scheme, is a very useful scheme, and I feel its awareness is essential and very useful for the girl child as well as the parents, but for their tax planning. But I'll come to that a little later. After mentioning about this scheme, now I come to the another major scheme which I want to cover mainly for both is the National Pension Scheme. Now, NPS, I personally feel, has been very well designed and can be made use of in an innovative manner by both present and future veterans. This is a scheme which was initially had an age limit of 65. Now the age limit has been extended to 70. That's why it makes it relevant and useful to veterans as well. Now what happens for those from services is that you retire at an early age, and that is one fact. The second is that the family pension reduces in the event of the death of the veteran. Now, the aim is to take advantage of this scheme both from tax planning point of view as well as from the welfare of the ladies. Invariably, the ladies in age are younger than the men, and as such will invariably live longer. Now, this scheme is easy to operate and has lot of advantages, like 50,000 rupees per year is uh, is additional tax concession besides the 1,50,000, or you can put all the 2 lakhs into that account. Second advantage, major advantage, is that 60% of the sum accumulated in this is at the age of 70 can be withdrawn and it is tax free. The charges for whatever service you choose for are also very reasonable, and subsequently the amount at the age of 70 gathered can be converted into an annuity which one can use as additional pension, and whatever is left over can be inherited by the children. Now, how tax planning has become very important and relevant is something I would like to highlight now. With the latest changes in the tax laws, most of all the serving and veterans have, whether all ranks, are likely to be required to file their income tax returns. Now, interest, dividends, and a lot of other things, everything has become taxable. Now, with this, tax planning becomes very important and relevant. While tax planning, you must remember that there is a difference between evading tax and avoiding tax. Avoiding tax by legal and fair means by which you make use of the provisions is a must and can be done. Avoiding Evading tax is illegal and that should be avoided. Now, with the tax planning becoming so relevant, the two schemes that I discussed, one that I discussed earlier, Public Provident Fund and the National Pension Scheme, both can be used very effectively. Of course, the details of tax planning will vary from each individual to individual because everybody has a unique life position and financial situation. But broadly speaking, the PPF can be used by opening PPF accounts in the names of children, which you can open, as well as the wife and yourself, so that you have compound interest schemes available as the situation changes and when you retire. The NPS can be made use of for yourself as well as for your wife because the amount or sort of a second pension is made available at the age of 70, which takes care of your planning and it's tax efficient so that you are able to live happily and don't have to worry about your financial needs, and there is a fair chance that your money will last lifelong and you can lead a happy and comfortable old age. Any help that anyone wants as regards to financial planning, investments, or guidance as far as tax planning is concerned, you are most welcome to contact me, and my services are all free, and I would love to benefit the veterans and the serving soldiers because we are all from the same tribe. Wish you all the best, and I hope you find time to see these three videos as I post them on the YouTube channel, and please spread it and reach it to the other ranks, which is very important. And if any help you can give in that regard to try and sort of subtitle it in different regional languages or any other way by which it can be reached to the all ranks, I'll be very grateful. Thank you very much and all the best.